Are your arms burning before your back even gets tired? Do your pull-ups feel way harder than they should? You're not weak. You're just making one of these 5 mistakes. And every single one is easy to fix. Mistake number 1. You're only holding the bar with your fingers. Think of the bar like a rope you're trying to climb. If you only grab it with your fingertips, your hands get tired fast before your back muscles even get to work. The fix: wrap your whole hand around the bar, like you're trying to squeeze juice out of it. A strong grip means your hands aren't the first thing to give up. Mistake number 2. You start hanging like a wet noodle. If you just hang there loose, before you pull, your back muscles are asleep. The fix: before you pull, gently pull your shoulders down and back, like you're tucking them into your back pockets. Now your back muscles are awake and ready to do the work. Mistake number 3. You're pulling with your arms, not your back. If your only goal is, get my chin over the bar, your arms do all the work and get tired fast. The fix: instead, think about pulling your elbows down toward your hips, like you're trying to crack a walnut between your elbow and your side. Your chin will go over the bar on its own, and your back gets stronger, not just your arms. Mistake number 4. You're swinging like a pendulum. Kicking your legs and swinging your body might get you up faster, but it's cheating your muscles out of the workout. The fix: keep your legs still and your belly tight, like someone's about to poke you in the stomach. Your body should move straight up and down, no swinging. Mistake number 5. You're rushing up and dropping down. If you yank yourself up fast and just fall back down, you're skipping half the exercise. The fix: pull up until your chin clears the bar, then lower yourself down slowly. Count 1, 2, 3. On the way down, going down slow builds just as much strength as going up. The one rule to remember: don't chase more pull-ups. Chase better pull-ups. 5 pull-ups done the right way will make you stronger than 10 done the wrong way. Fix these 5 things. Stay consistent, and your pull-ups will get stronger faster than you think. If this helped, subscribe to White Eyes for more simple fitness tips that actually work.